Battery Guyz.
Yes, sir. I need a good used battery, and how much would that be?
All right, what's the year, make, and model of the vehicle, sir?
2012 Kia Forte.
Kia Forte, okay, Kia Forte, that's group size H5. Got that battery in stock for you. I got two different options for you, sir. I got a 1 year warranty. Say what now?
What would be the cheapest one?
All right, the cheapest one I have is a 1 year warranty with out the door, which includes tax and the old battery change. It'll be $91 total. It was $80 plus tax, which is $90.99.
Okay, what about a reconditioned battery? You ain't got now for 35, 25, none of that?
No, sir. No, sir. That right there is a reconditioned battery, sir. If you call around, that battery retails $200 everywhere else.
Okay. Now, where y'all located at?
We're located at 3535 West Fairfield Drive, the corner of Hollywood and Fairfield.
Okay, that almost what I know. But you telling me that a reused battery or a used battery or a reconditioned battery is almost $100 mile. That's what you telling me?
Exactly what I'm telling you. It's $80 plus tax. If you call Advance and O'Reilly's, that battery retails $200, sir.
Right now, I ain't seeing $91 for a used battery.
Okay.
I
I understand. I understand, sir. Thank you. I said I understand, but call around to like Napa and O'Reilly's or whatever, and give me a call back.
Okay. All right, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Right. I had just came up here. I had I think it's an H7 battery.
Yes, ma'am.
How much altogether would the battery be?
It'll be with the old battery trade-in, ma'am, with your 1 year warranty. You look at that out the door, be $90.99.
$90.99. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Well, I'm getting ready to. I'm waiting on my ride to pick me up, and I will be there to grab it.
Okay. All right. Thank you, ma'am. We'll be here.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye.
I don't got nothing to do with betting to make $1.
All right. Call for.
Battery Guyz.
You don't. They don't.
Hey, do y'all sell reconditioned lawnmower batteries?
Do we say we get just lawnmower batteries?
We got some.
Yes.
Yeah, we got them.
Yeah, I know. Because it's such a negative.
$30 a piece.
You don't make money off on the
30.
negative stuff. You just like barely.
30? Really?
Yep.
Well, y'all located on Sears Boulevard over here?
No, we're located on Fairfield Hollywood.
Fairfield Hollywood. All right, that's who I was trying to call to begin with. But the first number I got, that's what I've dealt with y'all before.
Okay.
Yeah, that's no problem. What time do y'all usually close?
5 o'clock. That's 30 plus tax with a core.
Yeah, no, I've got the core, so I ain't worried about that right now.
All right.
Finding
But, all right, it'll be tomorrow, but I'll see y'all tomorrow. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Call for extension.
Battery Guyz.
Yeah, I mean, I've got a couple old car batteries. I was wondering if y'all take those and how much you get for them.
$5 a piece.
5 a piece, okay. Y'all gonna be open tomorrow morning?
We open Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. Saturdays from 9 to 2.
Hey. Well, thank you so much, sir.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Have a great day.
All right. Bye.
Extension.
Battery Guyz.
Hey, I need a reconditioned battery for a 2010 X5 BMW. Have one?
6 or 7.
Yes, 6 or 7. Yes, we got it.
Okay, how much is it reconditioned?
I got a 1 year warranty out the door, which includes tax, with the old battery exchange for $91, or I got a 2 year warranty for $112.49.
Okie doke, all I gotta do is bring me on one to you, right?
That's it.
Okay, honey, thank you. Bye-bye.
You know where we're located at?
Yes, I'm okay with that.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Battery Guyz.
Hey, I was calling to see if you guys would take some old interstate batteries I have.
Yeah. What type of batteries are they?
Cool. They're two, I want to say 65. Hold on, let's take a look at them real quick.
All right.
They're car batteries.
Okay, yeah, bring them in.
They're okay, cool. All right, thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
We'll see you soon, man.
All right.
Thank you.
Battery Guyz.
Hey, I have a question for you guys, and I know this is a long shot, but do you guys by chance sell batteries for like a Razor scooter?
No, we don't.
No, don't. Do you have any idea where I could buy one for my daughter's scooter that died?
Yeah, call Batteries Plus. They located on call them. Also call probably Battery Source.
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much for your help.
All right, thank you. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, as you see, guys, even though we don't carry Razor batteries, we still refer clients, customers to other competitors. If we can't help them, we refer them to other clients. So make sure that you like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Battery Guyz.
Hey, good morning. My name is Tucker with Cox Communications.
Hey, how you doing?
Doing well. Hey, we've had a battery stolen last week, another 4 batteries stolen this morning from our equipment on this side of town. Has anybody tried to sell you some Alpha Cell batteries?
No, sir.
All right.
Oh, I got you.
Appreciate it. Have a great day.
All right, thank you. All right. Battery Guyz.
Yes, sir. I'll see if y'all had a reconditioned Group 24 battery.
Yes, we sure do. We do.
How much are they a piece?
Out the door, which includes tax with the old course change with a 1-year warranty, $90.99.
For one or two?
One.
Oh, okay. $90?
Yes, sir.
All right, buddy. Thank you.
Thank you. Battery Guyz.
Yes, sir. I've got a question. Y'all got a good battery for a 2013 Dodge Caravan?
2013 Dodge Caravan. Let's see. Hold on for 1 second. I'm looking up for you. I think that might be a group size H7, but let me double check for you. Let's see. 2013. Let's see. Dodge Caravan. All right. Do you have the SC, SXT, RT, the crew, or what?
Oh, man.
Huh?
I have no idea.
Okay, probably make a difference. Probably the same battery. Let me just put the SC here then. Let's see.
I don't see anything about the SE.
Yeah.
It says Dodge.
Dodge Caravan. Gotcha. Yeah, that's what it is. It's a 8.7 battery. Got that battery in stock for you. Got it at $80 plus tax with a 1-year warranty. Turn it with the old core, or for just $20 more, $100 plus tax, you can get a 2-year warranty.
I'll do the first one, and I'll turn in the old battery.
Okay, yep, that includes the old battery. So out the door, including with the old battery, looking at $90.99.
Alright, that'll work.
That's half the price than going anywhere else. I'm looking at my competitors here. Batteries Plus got theirs for $205.
So the one now is 99.
Yep.
90, 99.
Let's say right at $91. How did you hear about us?
I knew about y'all already.
Okay, cool. All right. Well, we're here at the 5 o'clock. We're here at the 5 o'clock today, sir.
Alright, will you hold that for me? It's gonna take me a minute to get down there.
Sure, man.
Coming from Atlanta.
Hey, not a problem, man. We got plenty of stock. We'll be here. We'll be here at the 5 o'clock.
Alright, I appreciate it, buddy.
All right. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the call.
Thank you.
All right, have a nice day. Battery Guyz.
Hi there. I am in desperate need of a battery. I wanted to see if you guys had one in stock. I live not far from you.
Okay. What's the year, make, and model of the vehicle, ma'am?
I got a 21 Toyota Corolla LE.
35. Okay, we got that battery stock for you.
You do? Could you give me a price on that?
Did you need install, or you just need the battery as well?
Probably just the battery.
Okay, all right. Turning with the old battery, it'll take off additional $20 out the door. looking at $91 with a 1-year warranty. If you want a 2-year warranty, looking at $112.49.
Perfect. What if I decided to get the install?
Install.
How much for that one?
$30.
Additional $30 for install.
$30 for install. Okay, let me see what I'm doing, and I'll see you guys shortly.
All right, we close at 5. Question for you though. How did you hear about us?
I live right off Michigan.
Okay.
I see you all the time.
See us all the time. Okay then. All right. All right. We're into about another hour then to 5 o'clock. So.
Perfect.
All right. See you
Thank
then.
you then.
Thank you. Bye.